Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to turn on insights on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, tap your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the top of your profile to open the menu. A new screen will appear with different settings. Scroll down to the For Professionals section. If your account is personal, tap on Creator Tools, then select Insights. If you're already using a business or creator account, you'll see Insights directly under this section. Now you can view detailed analytics about your posts, stories, reels, followers, and overall account performance. Tap on Views, Interactions, or Followers to see more detailed insights, including the location, age, gender, and much more about your new followers. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.